Do you want a cup of coffee? Let's make it together. Welcome back. First, we will make a cup of coffee, which is a UV sphere. We will remove the top half and keep the bottom half. Then we will adjust the bottom to make it flat. We're going to smooth it out and add some thickness to it. After that, we will make the cup handle on the side. Then let us create the plate that will be under the cup, and it will be concave in the middle, where the cup is. Now it's time to add some coffee to the cup. It will consist of the flow, which is the UV sphere, the domain, which is a cube, which is the place where the simulation will be, and finally the effector, which is the one that will interact with the liquid, and in this case it will be the cup. We will modify some details. Follow and pay close attention to the details. After completing all the details, we will click on Bake All and wait until it is finished. This is the final result. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the like button.